As a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your research whenever you invest in anything. Hello, my name is Abro. Welcome to this live session. I'm thrilled to meet you wherever you are, whether your homes or offices or on the go. If you are an aspiring investor, a seasoned professional, or even just curious about the world of investing, you are in the right place. Let me start by asking, what excites you about the future? Well, for me, it is the opportunities we can create when we do merge bold ideas, strategy, and vision. Now, why you should care is that over the next few minutes, I will share how I see certain investments shaping the world while being the perfect meld for investors, businesses, and professionals alike. I have been blessed to be surrounded by ideas about how to create something bigger than yourself. Those ideas fuel my journey as a fund manager. But this dream isn't just about money, it is about impact. Every fund managed, whether it is energy through Cruvon, defense and space through Lago, or biotech through Eugenox, represent a belief that we can solve the world's biggest challenges and unlock extraordinary value. And here is the key. It is not about short term wins. It is about building long term success stories that create a better future for investors, businesses, and career professionals, especially the up and coming generation. Case in point, the power of being able to identify a biotech startup struggling to scale their breakthrough cancer treatment, having the science but lacking capital and the strategic guidance, and having Uchinox not just only investing in their company but also investing in the future where they expand into multiple markets with their work touching thousands of lives is what really tickles my fancy. This is why I always say that investing is not just about numbers, it is about the stories behind. Every dollar you invest tells a story about the future you believe in. And it's my job as a fund manager to make sure that these stories have big, happy endings. Now, let's talk about the future. At my firm, we know investing in the Fed, that is finance, energy, entertainment, health or biotech, and defense and space will transform the world. Here is a quick breakdown. Real estate and hedge funds through Billionaire. Navigating volatility while creating safe, scalable returns remains one of our most steadfast strategies. Energy through Cruvon. Albeit the world aims at the clean energy transition, I mean, we are talking about a $4 trillion market by 2030. The truth is, traditional energy sources such as oil and gas aren't going anywhere soon. As such, Cruvon employs a strategic investment approach, creating value from both and all energy sources, investing in both renewable and non renewable energy. Media, sport, and entertainment through Under Five. In a world where attention is currency, investing in what captures that attention is most important. Biotech through Eugenox, from gene editing to personalized medicine, we are standing at the edge of a healthcare revolution. And lastly, defense and space through LAGO. Space isn't just a final frontier, it is the next economy. From satellite tech to space tourism, the opportunities here are limitless. Now, what ties all these industries together? They are where innovation meets demand, and where there is demand, there is value. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This sounds all exciting, but how do you really get involved? That is why I'm here. Well, education is the foundation of every great investment decision. I will be sharing actionable insights across my platforms. If you are interested in learning more about these industries or becoming part of these stories, make sure you stay connected. And remember, you just need a clear vision and the right opportunities. As I wrap up, I want to leave you with one final thought. The future just doesn't happen. We build it. Every choice we make, every dollar we invest is a brick in that future. Whether you're looking to grow your wealth, make an impact, or both, I am here to help you navigate that journey. So let's connect. Follow me, follow my firms, and let's keep the conversation going. Thank you for joining me today. And remember, the best investments aren't just in markets, they are in ideas, people, and the future. See you soon.